Welcome to Kitchen Garden Farmhouse. I really appreciate you being here today. And I have a very special guest that's with me today, and she is 90 years young, been making biscuits for over 70 years, and today she's going to be coming and showing us how she makes homemade biscuits from scratch. I want to present to you my mama.
Hi, I'm Mama, and I hope you enjoy the video. Down through the years, I never measured anything to make biscuits, but for this video, I'll give you measurements. The first ingredient is flour. You can use self-rising flour or all-purpose flour. For every 2 cups of flour, you use 1 tablespoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. The second ingredient is your fats. Down through the years, I used whatever I had. I used lard or Crisco, but I changed and I use olive oil now. But you can use butter or whatever fat you like in your biscuits. The third ingredient is milk. Preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This is my flour bucket that I keep my flour in. Down through the years, I've always had something to keep my flour in. I used to, years ago, when my children were home, I had a barrel. The way I make biscuits, I have to have more flour in the bowl than what I'm using. That was 6 cups of flour. Grease your pan with whatever oil you choose. I'm using 1/4 cup of olive oil. And I'm using 1 cup of milk. Those measurements made 10 biscuits. I have a lot of flour left, but this is how I learned to do it many years ago. I re-sift it and use it next time. I measured the flour that I had left over so you would know how much I used. I used 1.5 cups. It's been baking for 12 minutes, so it's time to turn the broiler on so they can brown on top. I'm going to brush them with a little melted butter. My homemade biscuits from scratch. If you found value in this video, take a moment to subscribe if you haven't already, and give me a thumbs up and leave a comment. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next video.